How to fix login error for DoorDash Driver on iOS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to be discussing how we can fix if you've been having the login issue for the DoorDash Dasher or the Driver application, which is this app as you can find here. So normally if you're just going to go ahead and then open this up and then you're not being able to open it up, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons and due to a couple of ways why you're not being able to sign in. One is because you have to register for Dasher legally, right? It's not just email and password. That's not how it works. You have to have a valid driver's license to become a Dasher. So if you haven't applied for it, you can tap on become a Dasher option here and then fill in this form that you can find over here. Follow the instructions to do all those processes. Otherwise, what you can do is you can just go ahead and then tap the sign in option here and then go ahead and make sure to enter your email or your phone number and password. Tap the continue option to log in. If this doesn't work, sometimes the issue could be due to your network connection. So swipe down the control panel settings, check if your Wi-Fi is also working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular and see if that solves your problem. Last but not the least, open up your App Store or your Play Store, search for the DoorDash Dasher application, check if the app has an update. If it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.